We all know the old rule, treat others the way you want to be treated. But in world-class hospitality, that's not enough. The real gold standard, treat others the way they want to be treated. Too many teams serve from assumption, not attention. They treat every guest the same, using what they'd prefer, instead of asking, what would this guest value? But hospitality isn't about carbon copies. It's about customized care. What makes one guest feel at home might make another feel uncomfortable. That gap, that's where service breaks. Do unto others as they would want done unto them. This version of the golden rule isn't just more thoughtful, it's more professional. Great hospitality isn't about serving from your comfort zone, it's about stepping into theirs. The guest who wants conversation. The guest who wants quiet. The couple celebrating. The solo traveler unwinding. They all deserve something different, and delivering that difference. That's the job. Level up. At a 5-star hotel in Tokyo, Bell staff are trained to observe and adapt. They don't just carry bags. They read body language, pace, eye contact, tone. Why? Because guests don't fill out service preference cards. They show you. If you're paying attention, the result. One guest might get humor and conversation. Another gets quiet grace and formality. Both feel seen. Both feel served. Here's how to apply the real golden rule on every shift. Learn to read the guest. Tone. Posture. Eye contact. Watch for clues about how they want to engage. Ask. Don't assume. Would you prefer quiet or more energy? Tonight, one line opens the door to personalization. Customize. Don't standardize. Systems win, but flexibility also helps. Bend the script to fit the guest. Train your team to flex. Teach staff that empathy is a skill. Not everyone wants to be treated the same, and that's okay. Review moments of misfire. If a guest felt awkward, ask why. Used it as a teachable moment. Was it tone? Timing? A missed cue? Hospitality at its highest level. It isn't about treating people well. It's about treating them right. Follow MVH for more daily lessons that turn good service into great presence and good teams into great ones. Because in this industry, gold isn't just a standard, it's an attitude. And the best teams practiced the golden rule with precision.